How to sell NFTs on Opensea. Opensea tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Opensea and how you can sell NFTs using world's first and largest NFT marketplace. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you can simply go to opensea.io and you will land on this platform right here. Opensea is an NFT marketplace that allows you to buy, sell, and trade NFTs on Ethereum and Solana. You can create NFTs and sell them in different categories such as art, collectibles, domain names, music, photography, sports, trading cards, utility, and virtual world as well. Today I will be minting an NFT on Opensea and I'll show you how you can also sell NFTs very easily using Opensea. So let's get into the process. Once you open up your opensea.io, then you will get right here and you have to click on this wallet icon because we need to connect our wallet. So you can connect any type of wallet in Ethereum or Solana. There is Phantom available, MetaMask, then Coinbase and Wallet Connect. I have connected my MetaMask. So you just select the MetaMask option, which is an Ethereum wallet, and you will connect it to Opensea. How to get a MetaMask wallet if you are a complete beginner, then you can watch another video on this channel which shows you how to get a MetaMask wallet. So once you have it, you will connect it to Opensea. Now we have our wallet connected and we're good to go. We can create and sell NFTs. Keep in mind, you do not require any funds in your wallet. If you're thinking that you will have to deposit some Ethereum and then you can create NFT on Opensea, well, that's not the case. You can go ahead and connect your wallet even if you do not have any funds. So to create NFT, to sell NFT, you will have to click on this create option and it will take you right here. So we have our create new item option and this is our window. This is where we will be creating our NFT. The process is really fun. So first of all, we have to upload our NFT. It can be an audio 3D model. The file supported is PNG, then there is MP4, MP3, whatever type you have, and the maximum size can be 100 MB. I'm gonna select an NFT that I created from my computer. So this is the NFT that I have selected. It's a PNG NFT that I created on Canva. Now we have to name our NFT, so I call my NFT Yellow Bitcoin. Then we have external link. Now this is the option where we can add any kind of external link or URL for our NFT. If you have any page, if you have any website, then you can add the page link here. If you do not have any, you can leave this option, and that's what I'm gonna do. Then we have description, so you will write description. For now, I'm just gonna write the word description here so that you know. And you will enter all the detail about your collection and all the details about your NFT. Moving on, we have to select a collection. So if you already have a collection on Opensea, you will select it. If you do not have any collection and you are a complete beginner, then don't worry. You can just leave this option, and once the NFT is created, your collection will be created automatically. If you want to create a collection, just go to your profile, go to my collections and create one. Then we have properties, levels, and stats. Now these are the traits shown as a rectangle, progress bar, or numbers. So these also help us determine the rarity of any NFT. So the more properties we have, the more percentage we know that it will make our NFT rare. So you can just enter on this plus button given and you will enter the type. Let's just go with color. In name, I'm gonna go with yellow. Perfect. Click on save. Similarly, we can add more. Then we have unlockable content. This is the content where we can add any detail that will only be revealed by the owner. So we can add email address, we can add any kind of code right here. I do not have any content, unlockable content, so I'm not gonna select this option. Then we have explicit and sensitive content check. And we have two more options, the most important ones, supply and blockchain. So the number of items that can be minted. So if you're minting one copy of NFT on OpenSea, then there is no gas cost to you. So that is actually pretty good, and I'm minting one. Then we have blockchain. So you have to select where you are going to be minting your NFT. It also depends on your wallet. So I have connected an Ethereum wallet, which is a MetaMask wallet. So I will select Ethereum. We can also go with Polygon, which is a high-speed gas-free blockchain that works with Ethereum. So you can go with this one as well, but it also depends if the buyer has Polygon or not. A lot of people buy and sell in Ethereum, even though it has a very huge gas fee, but we can also select Ethereum for now. And then we have freeze metadata. To freeze your metadata, you must create your item first. So you can just like select this option, leave it, it's okay. And now you have added all the information. Click on create to sell your NFT. So you can see it says your yellow Bitcoin has been created. So we created this NFT just now and I listed it on OpenSea. Now we will to the next step where we can actually put it up for sale. You can see I can also share it on Facebook, Twitter, and copy the link. I will just cross this one, and this is my NFT right here on OpenSea. This is our blockchain. This is collection. This is the name for NFT. You scroll down, you will be able to see the properties and description. Then we have listings, offers, and we have more NFTs from this collection. So this is where our NFT has been created. Now I can edit it out if I want to, or if I want to sell it, I will click on this option. So we have list item for sale. This is where I will put it up for sale. So we have two options, fixed price or timed auction. Now what is fixed price? Fixed price means that this NFT will be available to buy now. And then timed auction means that I will be able to actually create an auction for my NFT and I will sell it to the highest bidder. And we have two options actually, sell it to the highest bidder or sell with declining prices. So I can sell it to the highest bidder. They bid their price. I can a starting price that okay, my NFT starts from 0.02 Ethereum. Then people will actually increase it and I will just sell it to the highest bidder. Then we have fixed price. I'm gonna go with fixed price now. So I'm gonna select Ethereum, and let's say that I want to sell this NFT for 0.05 Ethereum, which is $84 at the time of making this video. If you want to go for one Ethereum, so one Ethereum right now at the time of making this video is $1,600. So that's too expensive for this NFT. I'm just gonna go with 0.05. Then we have duration, and then we have fee. So keep in mind OpenSea has a service fee which is going to be 2.5%, and you can see listing is free. Once sold, the following fee will be deducted. So you can actually put up your NFT for free on OpenSea, but once it's sold, then there will be a fee of 2.5%. Once done, click on complete listing. We just need to check with our wallet once again for the last time. Just sign it, it's okay. Just you will click on sign and that's it. Your NFT will be listed on OpenSea. And now you can go to your profile where you will be able to see the NFT that you have listed. It will show you your collected NFTs as well. You can see this is my NFT and now people can actually buy it from me for 0.05 Ethereum. Similarly, we can create collections and mint more and more NFTs to sell on OpenSea. But this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to sell NFTs on OpenSea. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.